So I'm gonna start with the I'm gonna start with the nose and mouth, and we have this round here that's in the middle of the eyes, and we go. Wait, let me check. We go 2 rounds lower here, and here we are gonna make the nose with the dark yarn. Take a little bit of yarn, not too much. Yeah, wait, a little bit more, because we're gonna make the whiskers with this piece of yarn. And I'm going over these 2 stitches about 3 times, I would say. So now I go in the middle, 1 stitch down, and I'm gonna make the little now I'm gonna make the little mouth. You only need 1 stitch. And I went out on the sides here. And now I'm gonna continue with the whiskers. They are starting here, like slightly inside of the eyes, with 1 round in between. So yeah. And I make a straight line, and other stitch here. Like this. And I came out on the right spot on the other side already. So now we are gonna move to the eyes. They start in the center, above the center. So here are the whiskers. And now they move out over 3 stitches, like this, and then they go in on the outside of the eye. Like this. Move over here and make the second 1 to 3 stitches skipped and go in somewhere here. Okay, it's a little bit lower, but that's okay. And now I'm gonna come out with the yarn somewhere. Now I take the yarn from the beginning, cut it And now I'm gonna just hide the yarn ends like I showed you before. Make a knot. Push the knot in. Okay, Kitty is finished, and I think she looks like a Siam cat. So cute, so pretty. Here's her little tail. We can also take a yarn needle and spread the filling a little bit, because after we have sewed on, embroidered on things, the face is probably a little bit deformed, so feel free to push the stuffing into the cheeks so the head gets a nice shape, like this one. And now we are gonna make the final touches. Kitty is finished. As you can see, only the bow is missing. And then I'm gonna show you how to add the keychain.